Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jada. I make a lot of lifestyle content and soft life content. So if you're leveling up to your best self, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Everybody like this video. So today I'm actually going to be going to a coffee shop nearby and go to the park so I can really have a soft life. So come spend a day with me. Hey y'all, so I'm back from the coffee shop. It was really nice. This was my first time going and they were playing jazz music, and y'all know I love jazz music. But anyways, I'm about to head out to the park, so let's go.